Hey guys, I was just looking for a way to spice up my Nigerian meat pie and I decided to bake it like you would, all these foreign pies. We'll make only a few changes to the ingredients. We'll put all the details in the description. To make the filling, heat up some oil, add onions, fry for a bit and add the minced beef. Fry till pale, add thyme and stock cubes. Add some water to the same level as the contents of the pot. Cook till the beef is done and add the diced sweet potatoes and carrots. Once again, add some water to the same level as the contents and cook till the potatoes are soft. Add some salt and the diced apple. Add the thickener. I'll put details for this in the description. Leave to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and set aside to cool down. Next, we make the meat pie dough, which is exactly the same as the conventional meat pie. Add the baking powder, some salt, then add the margarine in small lumps. Mix till it feels like crumbs, then add some water to get this ball of dough. Transfer to a table and knead very well. You can use your mixer with a dough attachment for this. Put back in the bowl and set aside for 5 to 7 minutes. Now grease the inside of the pan with margarine. Beat the egg and set aside. Divide the dough into two. One part should be slightly bigger than the other. Roll it out till you have about 5 mm thickness. The diameter of the dough should be the diameter of your pan plus 2 times the depth and then some excess. You see what I mean. Put it in the pan, making sure you press down at the edges. Add the filling and roll out the remaining dough. Rub some egg on the dough and cover it up. Use a fork to close the edges. You can make all sorts of designs for the edges here, but I use the fork to press it down like you would in a conventional meat pie. Rub some egg for a golden look when done. Then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes or till golden. Try it and you'll never ever go back to the conventional meat pie.